Right, well, there's good news and there's bad news on this. The good news is that people all around the world, from universities and from the private sector, have invested tremendous resources in developing vaccines. Several groups are coming up with very, very innovative vaccine designs, and some of these groups have actually progressed to what we call phase 1 studies, where they're actually trying these vaccines in humans just to establish their safety and whether they can actually elicit an antibody response in humans. So that's very exciting. However, there are still tremendous obstacles to overcome. Firstly, we have never actually developed a vaccine for a human coronavirus. So we don't have a great model to work on as far as human coronaviruses are concerned. Secondly, there are a lot of possible designs of vaccines out there, right? And a lot of these vaccine designs are being tried against COVID-19. Which of these is actually going to work is currently uncertain. A lot of the vaccine designs that are in development at the moment have actually never been tried or been widely deployed as human vaccines before. So time will tell which of these vaccine designs are basically the fittest. Thirdly, there's still a long way to go. After you establish that they're safe for humans, you have to do very rigorous clinical trials to establish that these vaccines are effective in human populations, and that takes time as well. Fourthly, there's a lot of problem as far as scalability and distribution is concerned, because all around the world you have millions upon millions of people who need a COVID-19 vaccine. So once you've come up with a good vaccine, how do you scale up production to that extent and make sure everybody around the world gets the vaccine? So these are really significant obstacles. The good news is we did learn a lot of important lessons from the Ebola epidemic in Africa in terms of streamlining how vaccines are produced and deployed in real-world settings. And hopefully we can take some of those lessons to make things go as far as possible. So the concrete answer, when can we expect a vaccine? I would say the earliest we can expect a commercially available vaccine against COVID-19 would probably be towards the end of 2021. So hopefully by then we also have some good antivirals to fight against COVID-19 for people who actually acquire the infection. And until that stage, we are going to be seeing a requirement for a lot of care among countries all around the world to prevent community transmission of COVID-19.